The third step of the Celltweet skincare routine comprises of the Celltweet Firming Moisturiser. This is an amazing moisturizer because it has a high concentration of exosomes and also some growth factors, peptides, 6 different types of ceramide to smooth and calm the skin at the same time. And what I have 5 little really small amount of cream, and that's all that is required. So I apply them on the different areas of the face, starting with the forehead, the mid face and the neck. So what I will do now is gently apply it onto the face area. If you pat the face just using the motion of your fingers, it will also help with the lymphatic drainage of the face, and very smoothly you can see how the ingredients are being absorbed into the skin. You can also go quite close to the eyes, I find, because the consistency of the cream is readily absorbent into the face. So you can see how it's absorbed very easily without leaving any residue on the face. So this is very important because it shows that the cream, all the ingredients are being absorbed into the face. It's also very good for the neck area because we all suffer from some neck wrinkles that we want to address, a little bit on the décolleté, and also let's not forget about the forehead area. So gentle motion just to increase the absorption of the product into the face, and it feels and it smells lovely. It has a very calming sensation on the face, and this cream has even the ability to correct some skin sensitivity and some redness whilst giving you the anti-aging benefit. So you can apply this in the morning and also in the evening.